What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Grandma's Garage. We bought this a while back and we're just basically getting it ready for inspection for sale. It's a salvage title, little Honda Civic project. It was actually hit in the front here, so we've replaced the fender and the bumper, and we didn't do anything to the tire. The tire was fine, but knuckles was broke and we had to do lower control arm and stuff like that. So we're gonna get another one as soon as we get rid of this one, and then we'll take you through the whole process. But in order for us to do the inspection, we actually have to put the original door back on, because we got a new door and the VIN is not on a receipt, and in Ohio you have to have the VIN on a receipt from the vehicle that you took it off of. And we went and pulled it out of a pick and pull, and pick and pulls do not put VINs on the receipt of what car it came off of. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be swapping everything over from this door back to the original door, put it back on, because it works. There was nothing wrong with it. It was too...
I got him.
You still recording there?
Yep. He's pissed now. Get away, get away.
Where'd it go? Anyway, basically, in Ohio, you have to have the VIN on the receipt. So we're going to be switching it over. That one's all beat up. We got another one painted off of a pick and pull. So what we're going to do is basically going to switch it over, get the inspection pass, switch it back, and then sell it. So, which we actually might have a buyer on that. People driving by. Well, this door's in pretty good shape. I mean, look at that. Oh yeah. There's a bug flying there.
Yeah.
And it's just for the inspection process. I mean, honestly, we're just doing this so we pass. We got pretty much everything stripped out. We got, you know, windows, we got the door latch, even the handle has to come off, the mirror, the door panel. We had to switch the harness over. So basically we're just gonna do everything in reverse, slap it all back together. You know what sucks though, as soon as we get the inspection done, we have to do this again just to sell it. So, oh well, let's get her done. Alright guys, so we got this one finished up. We just slapped the old door on it, you can tell. It looks like crap. It's got a big old scuff right here where it probably hit the other car. It's crinkled right here. There's a paint stick that got stuck to it while I was at the place where we got it done. So it's just junk, it's nasty. I mean, it's all scuffed up right there. It's just not in good shape. So basically, we're doing this for the inspection only. There's nothing wrong with this door. It just doesn't look very good, but we're all set. We're probably gonna get it cleaned up a little bit better, and we have 1 week for the inspection, and then we'll come out with a video of a pass or fail, basically, and we'll explain what, if we fail, we'll explain why and what they wanted, and you know, because this will be our first time doing this, so we're gonna be taking you with us without actually having you there. So I don't know how they are about cameras and stuff like that. No big deal. We'll let you guys know what they like and what they don't like, and if you live in Ohio around us, then you might be fortunate to watch this video. So hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. If you got a question or some advice, throw it down in the bottom, write me a comment, whatever. Thanks guys, catch you later.